Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on IELTS reading strategies for high score. If you are preparing for IELTS exam, specifically the reading section, then you are in the right place. I'm here to guide you through some expert strategies that will help you not just practice but excel in reading. Whether you are aiming for a band 7 or 8, these techniques can make a huge difference. So let's get started. First key to success in IELTS reading section is understanding the question types you will encounter. There are several formats that will challenge you in different ways, so mastering each one is crucial. Multiple choice questions. Here you will need to carefully read through the options and decide which one best matches the passage. The trick is to look for subtle differences between the choices. True, false, not given question. This can be tricky because you are determining whether the information is true, false, or not even mentioned. Look closely for the key facts or contradictions. Matching sentences questions. For this, you will match information from the passage to given option. Skimming and scanning skills are particularly useful here. Sentence summary completion. This states you understand of the passage's main idea, requiring you to fill in blanks with appropriate words or phrases. Now, skimming and scanning techniques. Two essential skills for handling the reading section efficiently are skimming and scamming. Let's break these down. Skimming for main ideas. Skimming involves quickly reading through the text to grasp the main idea. You are not looking for the details here, just the overall theme. Scanning for specific information. Once you have skimmed, scanning helps you to locate specific facts or figures in the passage. For instance, if a question asks for a date or name, scanning allows you to find it quickly. Identifying keywords and phrases. Recognizing keywords is critical. Use the question to determine what words or phrases are most important and focus your scanning there. Now, improving reading speed and accuracy. To ace IELTS reading section, you need both speed and accuracy. Let's look at how you can improve both. Tips for increasing reading speed. Start by practicing reading in blocks. Look at chunks of the words rather than focusing on individual words. Also, avoid rereading sentences unless absolutely necessary. Strategies for improving accuracy. While speed is essential, accuracy is equally important. Make sure you fully understand what the question is asking before you answer. Slow down just enough to ensure precision. Practicing active reading. Active reading means engaging with the text. Ask yourself questions as you read. Make notes of key points and predict what might come next. Handling difficult passages. Some passages in the IELTS reading section can be challenging, but don't let that discourage you. Here's how you can handle them. Identifying unfamiliar vocabulary. When you encounter new words, don't panic. Use context clues from surrounding sentences to infer the meaning. Understanding complex sentences structures. Complex sentences can be daunting. Break them down into smaller parts to simplify the meaning. Look for the subject, verb, and object to get a basic understanding. Using context clues. Often, even if you don't know a word, the rest of the passage can provide enough hints to figure it out. Focus on overall message rather than getting stuck on individual words. Time management and answering strategies. Time management is key in the IELTS reading section. You have a lot of questions to answer in a limited time. Here's how to manage your time effectively. Managing time effectively. Spend no more than 2 to 3 minutes skimming each passages and allocate around 1 minute per question. If a question is too hard, skip it and come back later. Answering strategies for different question types. For multiple choice, eliminate wrong answers first. For true, false, not given, focus on what's explicitly stated in the text. Avoiding common mistakes. A common mistake is overthinking. Trust your first instinct after you have thoroughly read the passage. Also, make sure you don't leave any answer blank, even if you have to guess. So, at the end, to wrap up, we have covered the main strategies you will need to excel in IELTS reading section, from mastering question types involving reading speed, handling complex passages, to managing your time effectively. Remember, success in IELTS reading is all about practice and persistence. So take time to apply these strategies and you will see significant improvement.